Hi guys, welcome to my channel Physics Made Simple. Previously, we discussed about the device used to measure the time, that is clocks. Learning about clocks and not having an idea of GMT, Greenwich Mean Time, is an incomplete study of time. GMT is the mean solar time at the Royal Observatory located at Greenwich in London. Here is the Royal Observatory in Greenwich at London. The earth, you see, it is a sphere. This earth is divided into 24 time zones, and each time zone differs at an angle of 15 degree. Why 24 time zones? Because there are 24 hours in a day. So every after 15 degree, there will be a time gap of 1 hour. Every after 15 degree, there will be a time gap of 1 hour. The meridian corresponding to Greenwich is taken as a standard. The longitude or the meridian corresponding to Greenwich is taken as a standard, and the places towards the right side, the time is forward, and the places towards the left side, the time is backward. As we take this Greenwich meridian as a standard, we take it as an origin that separates the positive and negative side of the x-axis. As we go towards the positive right side of the x-axis, all the numbers will be in positive value. And as we go to the negative side of the x-axis, all the numbers will be in negative. So the same way, if the time is 12 noon in Greenwich, then the places falling at the first longitude towards the right side will show time as 1 p.m. and the second longitude will show the time as 2 p.m. The third longitude will show the time as 3 p.m. and the fourth longitude will show the time as 4 p.m. And the same way, the places falling at the first longitude towards the left side will show the time as 11 a.m. as we need to subtract 1 hour towards the left side, as we do it in the case of the negative axis of the x-axis. Okay, so here what happens when we just go towards the left side? When we just go towards the left side, the first longitude is showing the time as 11 a.m. The second longitude in the left side will show the time as 10 a.m. The third longitude will show the time as 9 a.m. And it just goes on like that. Do you know, children, that this GMT, that is Greenwich Mean Time, is now referred to as UTC. So what do you mean by UTC? UTC is Universal Time Coordinated. And you should know that with the reference to this GMT, we always calculate our Indian Standard Time. So, throughout India, the same time is followed with respect to Greenwich Mean Time. And this Indian Standard Time Zone observed throughout India with the time offset of GMT plus 5 hour 30 minutes or UTC plus 5 hour 30 minutes is achieved. And how is it calculated? You should know that how is it calculated. If you see the world map, you will see that most part of India lies between the 5th and 6th longitude. So most part of India, where is it lying? It is lying between the 5th and 6th longitude. In the middle, that is in between 5th and 6th longitude. So India is lying towards the right side of the Greenwich meridian. So you just tell me the places that are lying towards the right side, the time has to be added. And for each longitude, Each longitude is at a difference of 15 degree. For each longitude, how many hours the difference is? 1 hour. So, since it is lying between the 5th and 6th longitude, so for 5 longitudes, 5 hours, and in between 5th and 6th longitude, half an hour we consider. So, we always take the time in India as GMT plus 5 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, children. So, since this is lying towards the positive side of the x-axis, we'll be just going on adding the time. Okay, so how many hours we have to add? 5 hours 30 minutes. I'll explain you later how it is calculated. The reference longitude for the Indian Standard Time. Here you see in this India map, the reference longitude for the Indian Standard Time is taken at 82.5 degree longitude. Which longitude it is taken as? 82.5 degree longitude, which passes through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh. So, which place it is passing through? Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh. It is also passing through some parts of Odisha and Andhra Pradesh also. But here, what is the reference longitude? Which place it is taken as the reference point here? It is Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh. So, as I said, India is lying at 82.5 degree longitude. This 82.5 degree can be split up. How it is split up? You see, 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 7.5 degree. So, you know that each 15 degree, 1 hour time is observed. Okay, there is a difference of 1 hour time. So, for each 15 degree, we have 1 hour. And for 7.5 degree, since 7.5 is half of 15, it will be taken as 1/2 hours. So, when you add up, you will get 5.5 hours. 5.5 hours can be written as 5 hour 30 minutes. So, we say that IST, Indian Standard Time, is equal to Greenwich Mean Time plus 5 hours 30 minutes. Since India is lying towards the right side of the Greenwich meridian. Got it, children? Understood now? So, thank you for listening to my explanation with a great patience and have a nice day. If you like, you can just share my videos, you can subscribe to my channel and you can like it. Thank you.